All right, pay attention. We are to solve this problem. All right. The question said, if this rubbish is equal to x power m dot y power m, then find n power m. All right. This is very simple. Like I do tell my students, do not get frightened by the mere citing of a question. All right. You just stick to the principles, and you will see the question crumbling like a piece of cake. All right. Solution. Solution. All right. You will agree with me that this fraction here, I mean the numerator and the denominator here, they both share common root. All right. So we are going to split them. Okay. We are going to split them. So let's proceed. This becomes x raised to the power 3 over 4 multiplied by the square root of y all over the square root of x multiplied by y raised to the power 5 all over 8. All right? Is equal to x raised to the power m dot y raised to the power n. Are you getting it? For us to proceed, we must acknowledge the laws of indices. All right? One of the laws says that x raised to the power b over a is equals to the a root of x all raised to the power b. Are you getting it? So what that means is that x raised to the power 1 all over 2 will now be equals to the square root of x all raised to the power 1, which is equals to root x. Are you getting it? In that case, here we are going to have x raised to the power 3 all over 4 multiplied by x power half all over, sorry, here is y, all right? Sorry. Y power half all over x power half. Are you getting it? Dot y power 5 all over 8. All right? Is equals to x raised to the power m dot y raised to the power n. Take note. Dot in mathematics simply means multiplication. All right? Okay. At this point, this becomes x raised to the power 3 all over 4 multiplied by y raised to the power half multiplied by x raised to the power minus half multiplied by y raised to the power 5 over 8. Are you getting it? Which is equal to x raised to the power n dot y raised to the power n. All right? The next thing is to rearrange, okay? You may be wondering why I have negative power here. The reason is because this is more like when you have this, y raised to the power 1 all over 2 divided by x raised to the power 1 all over 2. It is more like y raised to the power 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1 all over x raised to the power 1 over 2. Are you getting it? And for me to clear this fraction, I have to introduce a negative power, okay? Which shows if I have x raised to the power negative half, it indicates the inverse of what I have here, which is equal to this, okay? The next thing to do here is to rearrange, okay? This becomes x raised to the power 3 all over 4 multiplied by x raised to the power minus half multiplied by y raised to the power half multiplied by y raised to the power 5 over 8. Are you getting it? In that case, we need to recall again the law of indices that says x raised to the power a multiplied by x raised to the power b is equals to x raised to the power a plus b. Are you getting it? That is very important. What this means here is that since these two terms have common base, what we are to do next is to pick one of the bases and then add up their power. Are you getting my point? Same thing will happen here, all right? So let's proceed. In that case, we have x raised to the power 3 all over 4 plus, here is minus half, okay? Multiplied by y raised to the power 1 all over 2 plus 5 over 8. Alright? Are you getting it? So this becomes x raised to power, the LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, okay? Is 4. Are you getting it? So 4 by 4, 1. 1 times 3 is 3, okay? 3 minus 4 by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, okay? 2 multiplied by y raised to power, the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8, okay? All right. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 by 1 is 4, okay? 4 plus 8 by 8 is equal to 1 times 5 is 5, okay? All right. Therefore, this becomes x raised to power. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, okay? 1 all over 4 multiplied by y raised to power. 4 plus 5 is 9, okay? 9 all over 8 is equal to x raised to power m, remember, okay? X raised to power m dot y raised to power n. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? At this point, we don't need any man from a pulpit to come and tell us what next to do, okay? By comparison, it is very obvious that m is equal to this and n is equal to this, okay? In that case, our m will now be equal to 1 all over 4, while n will be equal to 9 over 8. Alright? But the question said we should evaluate this, n power m. Therefore, n power m will now be equal to 9 all over 8 all raised to power 1 over 4. Alright? Of course, 3 square is equal to 9. 3 square all over 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay? 2 cube all raised to power 1 all over 4. Okay? This will now be equal to 3 square raised to power 1 all over 4 divided by 2 cube all raised to power 1 over 4. Are you getting it? At this point, 2 here 1, 2 here 2, okay? This becomes 3 raised to power 1 all over 2 all over, 3 times 1 is 3, okay? 2 raised to power 3 over 4, 3 all over 4. This becomes our answer, all right? This is what we have as final answer. If this makes sense to you, please do well to like, share, and follow for more.